ঠিক আছে
রেসিপার আছে
হ্যাঁ
রেসিপার
একটু হাই হ্যালো বক্তৃতা দাও না।
মা স্টার্ট হয়ে গেছে চলো
বলো বলতে থাকো এটা বাংলা
না
এটাও বাংলা না
হাই প্লিজ জয়েন হাই প্লিজ জয়েন वेलकम टू थ्रेड आर्ट ओह ऐसे होता है हाय वेलकम टू थ्रेड आर्ट Please join. Please write hi or hello. Please join and write hi and hello. We are from Thread Art. Please write, are we audible or the picture is clear or not? Hi, please write hi. Hi, please join. Welcome to Thread Art. Please join. We are here with our collection. Hi, please write your comments. We are unable to see any comment. Are we like live or not? Can't see much of the things. Please write hi. We are here with our live. We are here with our live. So we will be showing some products to you. We will be showing today Tassar, Bishnupuri silk, 3D Katan sarees today to you all. Please join.
জয়েন করো
জয়েন করে
জয়েন করো
বাটন দাও তো
আগে একটু জয়েন করো বলো
জয়েন করো
সবাই
সবাই জয়েন করো
প্লিজ
Hi Tina ma'am, thank you so much. Hi.
এটা
Let's have some good response from the group. We are here today. It's our first live in the group. So we will be showing today some Tassar collection, some Bishnupuri silk and 3D Kartan to you all. So we really want this live to be more interactive rather than we just showcasing our product to you.
তুমি লাইক করছো না
করছি
I think Mama should live করছেন।
হাত রাখো
So we'll start in a while now. We request you to please be with us. Please be with us. We will be starting shortly. So I'll just brief you about like what we exactly do. We are the manufacturer of Tassar and Bishnupuri silk sarees. We do have like pure collection in 3D Katana as well. So this we actually do it on our own. So any color customization, any designs, anything which you want, that can be done. So as we have our own unit for printing and we have our own weavers, so we request you to please be with us in our first live in the group.
এটা ঘুরতে পারবে না এরকম ঘুরতে পারবে
don't you start? Why don't you start?
Mimi,
Mm-hmm.
Dudu.
Oh.
John.
এখানে জয়েন করে তো বেঙ্গল হ্যান্ডলুমে
Yeah. So we'll start now. We'll start now with our collections. So we'll start now. So we'll start our live with this quality. So this is basically Toshor material with check designs. This is Tassar material with check design. As you can see that the base color of the sari is blue, royal blue, with the spray printing of green and firoza color. With the spray printing of green and firoza color. So as you can see the design, this all are zari. These checks all are zari. These are all zari work. So it's in a pure Tassar material. Achal of the sari would be, this will be the pallu of the sari. This will be the pallu of the sari. So there is like combination of pink, green, yellow with the base color of blue. With the base color of blue. So this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse piece of the sari would be in a floral print design. So the blouse piece of the sari in the floral print design. And these are the exclusive collection of thread art. These are the exclusive collection of thread art. So this is the first sari we are showing. It's in a green, blue base with green and firoza spray print. So this is our first collection. Price for this sari is
3800.
3800 plus shipping. 3800 plus shipping. 3800 plus shipping. This is the sari. We'll move on to our next collection. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us on 9874459025. 9874459025. 9874459025. If you like this sari or if you have any question about it, please ping us on 9874459025. So as you can see, this is very graceful and the sari looks very, very elegant, Debarati. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Miss Debarati, ma'am. Thank you so much. So the price for this sari is 3800 plus shipping. 3800 plus shipping. So we'll move on to our next collection. This is also a very unique collection.
So this one is zari border tassar with chudi part. We called it chudi part just because of this. You can see there are 3 stripes on the border portion, in the border. 3 stripes of zari in the border. Okay, I will show you. Border will be like this. Okay, and the base color of this sari is royal blue with firozi floral motif. You can see the firozi color. This one is floral with the firozi color, and the base color is royal blue. I will show you the pleats portion. I will show you the pleats portion. I will show you the pleats portion. This will be the sari. This will be the sari, how it looks, and this one is also a zari border chudi part tassar, and the blouse piece will be like this. Blouse piece will be like this. Blouse piece will be like this. Okay, and the price of this saree is 3700 plus shipping. 3700 plus shipping. Our instant booking is going on. Booking number is 987445905. 987445905. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Number is 987445905, which is given in our description box. 987445905. We're moving to our next collection. This is also a zari border tussar. This is also a chudi part. This one is kalamkari print. This one is kalamkari print. You can see the kalamkari print. So this will be the sari. You can see pallu will be like this. Pallu will be like this, and the body will goes like this way. I will show you the overall. Sorry. So this will be the sari, how it looks. The body portion will comes like a floral motif, which is a kalamkari design, and the border part you can see the peacock motif, which is done through block. Okay, there are three colors which we used here. One is Rani, orange and yellow, and the outline is with black. Okay, and the border, you can see the zari border. Zari border will comes like this way. 3 stripes will come, and I will show you the BP portion also. BP will be like this with a firozi color. BP will be firozi color. The price of this saree is 3700 plus shipping. 3700 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it. We are moving to our next collection. We are moving to our next collection. This is zari border tussar with a border. Zari border will come. It's a lovely design. You can see it's a lovely design. You can see the design. I will show you the overall design of the saree. This will be the total. This is the total view of the saree. You can see it's a floral design on it, and you can see this one is abstract. We did it with color. It's abstract design. It will comes in the body portion, and in the border this floral motif will goes through all over the saree, and the pallu will be like this. Pallu will be like this, and I will show you the BP portion. BP portion will be like this. The price of the saree is 3600 plus shipping. 3600 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Number is 987445905. 987445905. Another zari tussar. This one is a zari border tasar. This one is also a zari border tasar. You can see the pleats portion and the body portion is different. You can see the pleats portion and the body portion will be different. Pleats will goes like this. Pleats will be like this, and the body it will comes like this way. Okay, body it will comes like this way, and you can see the pallu portion. Pallu portion will be like this, and blouse piece. This is also a beautiful one. This will be the blouse piece. Okay, and the price of this saree is 3600 plus shipping. 3600 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Number is 98744590259. 98744590259. 98744590259. Those who are watching our live, we are requesting you to please share our live so that more viewers can join with us and see our collections. This is also a zari border tasar, which we use like a ajrak printed design on it. You can see this is actually a scarf border. The pallu portion, the pleats portion, and the body, it is a kind of sea green color with some blue touch on it. You can see this one will be the pallu, and we use a discharge color of yellow, red, and white. You can see the pallu portion. This one will be the pallu, and the body will be like this with the scarf border. With the scarf border, you can see the block design, and the BP. I will show you the BP. BP will be all over like this. BP will be all over like this. This will be the BP. This is a zari border tasar, and the cost of the saree is, price of the saree is 3600 plus shipping. 3600 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Our instant booking is going on. Number is 98744590259. 98744590259. 98744590259. We are moving to our next collection. This one is ajrak printed zari border tasar. Ajrak printed zari border tasar. You can see this design will continue like this throughout the saree. You can see this will be the overall design. Okay, and the pallu will be like this. The base color of the saree is gray. The base color of the saree is gray. You can see the base color of the saree will be gray. On it we use red and black with a white discharge. Black, and the pallu will be like this. Pallu will be like this. Okay, and the blouse will be like this. Blouse will be like this, black with this border. The price of this saree is 3600 plus shipping. 3600 plus shipping. भूले गए कौन सी? We are moving to our next collection. Our next collection will be the floral motif zari border tasar. Floral motif zari border tasar. This one is a floral motif with a chudi part tasar.
So this is the first collection. Price for this saree is
Chudi part tasar.
3,800 plus shipping. 3,800 plus.
You can see the floral motif. We use the three colors over here. One is Firozi, pista green, and grey. You can see the color of the saree. The floral motif will goes like this way throughout the saree, and the pallu will be like this. Pallu will be like this, and the BP I will show you the BP portion. Blouse will be like this. Okay, and this saree border will come in BP also. The price of the saree is 3,700 plus shipping. 3,700 plus shipping. These are pure tussars. These are pure tussars by tussars. The price of the saree is 3,700 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Number is 98744 59025. 98744 59025. 98744 59025. कोई ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करो. This one is also a zari border tussar. You can see the on polka
Please don't call right now. Request you to please call us after live, since we are doing live from this phone. We'll get back to your query. Please ping us on WhatsApp. We'll get back to you. Please, we request you.
This one is zari border tussar. You can see it's a floral kolka design on it. It's a floral kolka design on it. You can see this will be the pallu portion. Pallu portion will be like this, and this will be the body. This will be the BP. Sorry, this will be the BP, and the body will goes like this way. The all over saree will be like this. This is a indigo color. This one is indigo, and the price of the saree is 3,600 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Number is 98744. Our booking number is given on in our description box. Number is 98744 59025. 98744 59025. 98744 59025. We are moving to our next collection. This one is zari border tussar. This one is also a zari border tussar. This is also a zari border tussar. This one is you can see there are three colors on it. One is chiku, that is tussar color, and one is peach color and one is red. Okay, and this one is wine color. 4 colors are there here, and you can see the feather of peacock which he used like a block, and you can see in the pallu portion there will be a peacock motif on it in the pallu portion. The overall sari will be like this. The overall sari will be like this, and I will show you the BP portion. BP will be like this. BP will be like this. The price of this sari is 3600 plus shipping. 3600 plus shipping. You can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number if you want to book. Our instant booking is going on. The number is 98744590025. 98744590025. I will show you some katan. I will show you some katan sarees. This one is 3D katan. We have more collections on silks and tussars, but in one life it is not possible to show you all designs. After live you can contact with us for any query or any order. If you want to order anything, I will show you. If you want to see some more collections, we will send you our designs on your WhatsApp number. You just you have to ping on our WhatsApp number, which is given in our description box. The number is 98744590025. I will show you some katan sarees. This one is Bishnupuri katan. This one will be the I will show you the designs. This are you can see, this one is not printed, this one is weaved. You can see this one is weaved. Okay, and the color of the pallu will be blue, mustard yellow, and this one is rani. Okay, pink, rani pink, and the body will be like this. Body will be like this, and the pallu again it will comes like this with a blue with a weave. Okay, with weave. The price of the saree is 3000 plus shipping. The price of the saree is 3000 plus shipping. The price of the saree is 3000 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Number is 98744590025. 98744590025. We are moving to our next collection. Next collection is also a Bishnupuri katan. This design is we also call Kola Chitra. You can see this. There will be a small work on sari and with a heavy work on pallu. It's a swastik design all over the body. We have swastik design all over the body. This is a green color. You can see green color, and the pallu will be like this. You can see the pallu. This one is not printed. This one is weaved. You can see. I will show you the weaving. I will show you the weaving. This one will be the sari. Okay, and this one will be the blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece. This one will be the blouse piece. Okay, the price of the sari is 3000 plus shipping. 3000 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Number is 98744 59025. 98744 59025. So this one is Zari border Vishnupuri silk. Zari border Vishnupuri silk.
This is our last collection for today. So we'll come back again with our some other collections. So this will be the last collection today. We have many more, but I think we are just running short of time since we have like preoccupied lives in other groups. So we request you to please ping us on 98744 59025 for any queries. So we'll get back to you once our lives are over.
This one will be this one is Zari border Katan, Vishnupuri Katan. This will be the pallu. You can see the pallu portion. Okay, it's a royal color, and you can see this one will be the body. Okay, and the zari will come in the border portion, upper as well as the lower part of the sari. The lower portion of the pleats will also come with the zari. Okay, and the BP will be like this. BP will be like this. Okay, this will be the BP. The price of the sari is 2900 plus shipping. 2900 plus shipping. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot of it and send it on our WhatsApp number. Number is 98744 59025. 98744 59025. This design is we also.
So we thank you for being with us throughout our live. We thank you for being patient with us. So we'll get back to you in our next live. This is our first live and we have some preoccupied things as well. So we'll come back again with more and more collection. As you can, we promise you that we'll come back with a very nice collection and unique collection for you all. We request you to please ping us on 98744 59025. If you like anything, please send us your screenshot over there. And we'll get back to you once our live is over. We thank you and we request you to please share our page Thread Art. You can anyways ping us. We'll share the link with you. And we really want to look for a great and long association with you all. We thank you. We wish you all a very great time ahead and good night to you all. Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night. Good night.